Tips to preserve carrots all year round without wilting. Hello, welcome back to the Clever Trick channel. Do you love carrots? A crunchy sweet root vegetable rich in vitamins and extremely good for the eyes? From hot soups, fresh salads to simple daily meals, carrots are always a great companion in the kitchen. But there is a problem that makes many people hesitate to buy carrots in large quantities. They are prone to drying out, becoming soft, or even sprouting if not stored properly. Very wasteful, right? Don't worry, today I will share with you an extremely simple but extremely effective preservation tip. This is a secret I learned from a farmer who has many years of growing carrots. Let's get started. Method 1. Store at room temperature. You can store carrots for 2 weeks at room temperature. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. If you buy carrots but don't use them right away, you can still store them by simply putting them in a bubble bag, bubble wrap. This helps retain moisture and keeps the carrots fresh as when you first bought them. Wrap the remaining bulbs similarly. Rolling a layer of bubble wrap around the carrots helps to limit the evaporation of water from the carrots, keeping them from drying out, becoming soft or wrinkled. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Do not use plastic bags to preserve carrots because it will make carrots spoil quickly. Method 2. Bury in dry sand. First, you need to choose carrots that are fresh, firm, and not scratched or crushed. If you have just harvested or just bought them and they still have some dirt on them, don't rush to wash them. Just shake them off gently to remove some of the dirt, because the thin layer of natural soil helps retain moisture very well. If you wash them, the carrots will lose their outer protective layer and spoil more easily. Use a clean wooden or paper box. Pour a layer of clean, dry sand or dry sawdust on the bottom. Arrange the carrots in, cover them with more sand, and repeat this process until they are all gone. Cover the box tightly and place it in a cool, dry place such as the kitchen corner, under the stairs, or on the porch. When you need to eat, just take out each carrot, wash off the sand, and use it immediately. With this method, carrots can stay crispy and fresh for 2 to 3 months, even longer if the weather is cool. This is an old but extremely useful secret, especially when you buy carrots in large quantities or want to store them for rainy days when you can't go to the market. Note: do not place carrots near apples or bananas. They emit ethylene, which causes carrots to spoil quickly. Do not leave them damp or wet for too long. They will easily become moldy and rot. Method 3. Store in the refrigerator. Unlike the method of storing with sand, this time the carrots need to be washed to remove all sand and dirt. Then use a clean towel to dry thoroughly, or let the carrots dry naturally before putting them in the refrigerator. Take a zip bag or airtight box. Place a layer of paper towels at the bottom to absorb moisture. Then arrange the carrots inside. You can add a few more layers of paper towels if there are a lot of carrots. Finally, close the lid or tie the bag, then put it in the refrigerator. Every week, you should open the box to check. If the paper towels are damp, replace them with new ones to avoid stagnant water causing waterlogging. Thanks to this layer of moisture-absorbing paper, the carrots do not become soft or sprout, but remain crispy and fresh for a whole month. I tried it and was very surprised. The carrots are still sweet, crispy, and retain their bright color just like when I first bought them. This is a small but extremely useful tip for those who live in urban areas, without as much space or materials as in the countryside. Method 4. Store in water. First, wash the carrots thoroughly with water to remove dirt and mud. Peel them if you want, but if you store them for a long time, it's better to leave the skin on. If the carrots still have stems or green leaves, cut them off. The leaves will absorb all the moisture from the root, causing the carrots to wilt quickly. Take a clean glass jar or plastic container. Fill it with cold water and soak the carrots until they are completely submerged. Cover tightly and place in the refrigerator. Most importantly, change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep the water clean and the carrots from getting slimy or spoiled. By doing this, the carrots will stay crispy and fresh for up to 2 weeks, or even longer if you're careful. This method is extremely convenient, especially for those who often make salads or need pre-cut carrots for later use. Method 5. Preserve by freezing. If you want to preserve carrots for a long time while still retaining their sweetness and fresh color, the freezer is a great helper. I once tried freezing carrots for rainy days when I couldn't go to the market, and surprisingly, the carrots still retained the same flavor as if they had just been prepared yesterday. You can cut the carrots into pieces, thin slices, or diced, depending on how you want to use them later. Boil a pot of water. Put the carrots in and blanch for 2 to 3 minutes. Immediately after that, remove the carrots and put them in a bowl of ice water. This step is called shocking to help the carrots retain their fresh color and crispness. After draining, spread the carrots evenly on a tray. Then put them in the freezer for about 2–3 hours to freeze each piece of carrot. Finally, place the frozen carrots in a zip-top bag or airtight container, vacuuming out as much air as possible. Label with the date and time of storage. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can place the bag of carrots in a bowl of water and submerge the bag. The water will push all the air out. Then seal the bag tightly. Carrots frozen this way will last for 4 to 6 months. When needed, you can take them out and use them in stir-fries, soups, or stews without thawing first. This is a great tip for busy people or those who like to prepare ingredients for the whole week or even the whole month. Carrots in the freezer, if prepared properly, will still be a great companion in the kitchen every day. Method 6. Vacuum seal. Depending on the purpose of use, you can cut the carrots into pieces, thin slices, or long stems. Wash and drain completely. This is a very important step to avoid moisture in the bag. If you plan to store carrots for more than 1 month, you should blanch the carrots for 2 to 3 minutes. Then put them in ice water to keep the color. If you only store them for 1 to 2 weeks, you can skip this step. Put the drained carrots in a vacuum bag. Suck out all the air and seal the bag tightly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can place the bag of carrots in a bowl of water and submerge the bag. The water will push all the air out. Then seal the bag tightly. You can put them in the refrigerator, use within 1 to 2 weeks, or the freezer. Store for up to 6 months. When you need to cook, just cut the bag and take the carrots out to use immediately. Extremely convenient and fast. This is a great way to divide ingredients in advance, or to prepare vegetables for many meals during the week. Vacuum-sealed carrots save space in the refrigerator and keep their fresh flavor for many times longer. Carrot peels, don't throw them away. Follow my method. The results are surprising. From something that seems like kitchen waste, carrot peels can be turned into natural plant nutrients, helping plants grow green and healthy without the need for chemical fertilizers. Let's get started. After peeling, wash the carrot peels to remove dirt or sand. If you use clean, chemical-free carrots, that's even better. Put the carrot peels in a bowl or heat-resistant glass jar. Then pour boiling water over the peels, like making tea. Cover tightly and let cool naturally for 6 to 12 hours. You can leave it overnight. After the soaking water has cooled, filter out the skins. Keep the water and dilute it with regular water in a 1.3 ratio, 1 part soaking water plus 3 parts clean water. Use this water to water vegetables, flowers, or ornamental plants 1 to 2 times a week. The water soaked with the carrot skins is rich in vitamins, light minerals, and natural antioxidants. Plants love it, especially leafy vegetables such as herbs, kale, basil, mint, etc. I tried watering a small pot of vegetables on the porch regularly, and after a few weeks, the leaves were greener and the plants grew significantly faster. From things that seemed to be discarded, with just a little love for plants and a pot of boiling water, you have a natural, healthy nutrient solution for your small garden. So we have 6 extremely effective ways to preserve carrots. Which one do you like best? Try one of these tips today. And if you have a better way to preserve carrots, don't forget to share it with me. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Your support is what keeps me going and keeps me sharing more great kitchen tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.